What are the concerns about seawater, not just seawater, but any disinfection technologies you might have inside any installation? The first thing you have to take into account is if you're using hypochlorite, it's the degradation. If you have commercial hypo in your systems and you have this stored, with time it will start losing its potency. So you shouldn't store this for long. Also, if you leave this infrastructure of hypo open to sun or in high temperatures, the chemicals will also degrade with time and you're losing your money there, which is stored inside the tanks. Another problem we are facing actually a lot the last days, months and young years is the unstable supply chain we're having for everything, and that also include chemicals. So if you're buying chemicals to do the disinfection, you are relying on a supply chain that should deliver everything religiously to you in, I don't know, every week, every month or so. And you are all seeing now how disrupted this is. Costs are going up and you can rely less and less and less on lead times. So this is also an open question, how to solve these supply chain issues. Costs, of course, everything you have installed and you want to disinfect has a commercial impact on your systems. Commercial hypo is also expensive. You have to transport there from different countries. Maybe it's not available directly to you. You have to pay taxes on that. This all adds up on the cost of the whole system. In some countries, depending on the regulations you are facing, you cannot just dispose of disinfected water directly into the sea. We don't see that much, I think, now in Asia, but it's a coming trend. A lot of countries are already applying regulations. So if you have products like chlorate or bromate, they cannot be really easily disposed to the sea. So you have to start thinking about this before you have to start paying fines. Last but not least, some of the disinfection chemicals used in the industry, you all know some accidents happened in the past. So you really have to be very, very safety aware of how these products should be installed, how they have to be operated, because any mistake here could lead to a fatal accident. So all of this taken into consideration, our solution here, the proposed solution, is to use seawater, a readily available raw material for any coastal installation, with little to almost none preoccupations.